So Google News. Let's see. So we've got um, what are you looking at?
I'm just downloading the GoPro app.
Oh, you already have it, right?
I have it on my phone.
We've got reduced number of COVID-19 cases today.
Huh? How many,
Just not just, but it's 9 less than yesterday's.
So
Yesterday was 15, I think, and most of
6.
the cases are in Sarawak. What, 6? 6 less than yesterday.
Oh, 6 less than yesterday, so
Yeah.
9 total.
Today is 9.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
Good.
Oh,
I think Malaysia has done a very good job of controlling the
yeah.
COVID cases, but I don't see international media talking about it and lauding like they were lauding South Korea or even Singapore in the early days.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
yeah, but I heard that there's a new case that has come up,
A cluster.
cluster that has been discovered now, right?
There are a few in Sarawak.
Oh, in Sarawak.
Yeah, in Sarawak.
I thought there was one nearby, Brixfield. No.
Maybe there is, but
Hmm.
no. The one from today was in a prison.
Oh, okay.
There was in Kelantan, if not mistaken, but
Okay.
none in KL.
Okay.
Yep. So yeah, I don't know why Malaysia, but China has recognized Malaysia. I think it was in the news, in Malaysia news, not like in the BBC.
Oh, okay.
Mhm.
I don't think these days being recognized by China is such a good thing. Yeah.
But could it be that because Malaysia is tainted by like our recent before COVID we just had another change in government, and then we've always seen by the media in a bad light as such, like we've not upheld democracy to the highest ideal
Really?
standard.
What about that? I didn't. How did democracy get? I think what happened in Malaysia was perfectly democratic, right?
Yes, it is democratic constitutionally, but
Yeah.
to the average Malaysian, they voted this party to be in power, this coalition, and then now it's a different coalition that they didn't.
That's okay. So
Yeah,
that's how democracies work, right?
correct.
So
But do you see how the other side is feeling as well?
no. So the when the constituents voted and the people voted, they voted for their electorate, the people, the representatives. Now it's up to those representatives to make the decisions,
Yeah,
right?
understood.
So now they decided that they want to play ball with
a
with
different
the new
party.
party instead of the old one. So well,
Yeah.
that's
Then-
democracy, right?
Yeah, that's well.
Oh,
you
by the
could
way, we
say
didn't
that's the.
introduce ourselves
Oh yeah, we
on
haven't.
camera. That is, we were talking.
Let's okay. So that's the flaw in democracy. Some people only vote for the political party and not care
Yeah.
about who
Correct.
is their representative, right?
Correct.
So I'm I'm an insurance agent. Sumit, do you want to introduce yourself?
I am Sumit and I work in insurance, not an insurance agent. I am an Indian living in Malaysia, and yeah. Then what are we doing today, Van?
Yeah, we're just reading the news. So we've decided we're reading the news and commenting on the news.
Why are we
Yeah.
reading the news? Like, don't you have anything better to do with your life?
We don't actually. We don't quite have a life, so we were trying to monetize this.
So let's talk about all the ideas that we discussed. For
Oh yeah. So at first, okay.
what was your original boring idea that I completely shot down?
It's not boring, and you didn't
Or the
shut it down.
controversial idea?
Okay, a few months back, we were we were
I don't want to be deported. One.
we recorded about Tun's comments about
Kashmir.
Kashmir, yeah, Kashmir.
Yeah.
So we recorded that. It was quite a lengthy video, right? Was it over half an hour?
Yeah, it was quite lengthy.
Yeah, and I think it was well done. And we decided, okay, because Sumit is an expat and Tun at the time was in government, so we still want him here. So we decided not to upload
Yes,
it.
please tell the people how much I contribute to the Malaysian society.
Yeah, do you know that he pays lots of tax?
Yeah, lots.
Yeah. So
No kidding.
no joke. Yeah. He's
And then how I with my work how I help Malaysians like you produce more as insurance agents and ensure healthier, longer, better lives for all Malaysians.
yeah. So
I truly believe in AIA's brand promise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's helped me, coach me a lot, like explaining to me why the company is doing such marketing, for example. So I truly appreciate Sumit's guidance.
Okay.
And okay, the
Enough
other boring
buttering.
idea.
I don't think I'll be deported. It's okay.
Okay. So and then there's the second idea. So I've been listening to this podcast on. You can go to Not Overthinking. It's called Not Overthinking. So these two brothers are just talking about various topics, and they're not political or news or anything. It's just day-to-day interaction or how we see things. Like there was an episode I remember. Is it ever acceptable to be negative? And I thought, what do I expect to listen out of that topic? But it turned out to be very interesting.
I think we should look there and talk, right?
Yeah.
No?
We can.
I think we should have one camera on each person.
I mean, this is like the beginners level. I think we can start with
please
this.
forgive us for making beginners' mistakes. The video will be badly edited, and
by me, because I'm a first time editor.
I thought I was going to edit. No.
I think you should let me, because then it will force me to learn, and in the future I can do it, right?
Yeah, I can teach you also whatever I know.
Yeah. And so I thought, from Not Overthinking, it inspired me. Okay, what topics that like things in life that I want to talk to you, discuss about with you. So what I thought about, it was taxation, because taxation is painful, and we just wanted to explore the reasons behind it. Why do we pay taxes? And then Sumit was not too enthusiastic. And then said,
I'm like, you think our audience has?
We don't even know who our audience is.
No, I'm sure we got like 1 billion audience. Is it audiences or audience? What's the plural of audience? I think audience.
Audience is plural already, right?
Correct. So audience is plural. So we have 1 billion smart audience. Maybe like 7 billion. You never know. Right?
So they would want to hear about taxation, right?
No, but then they know about it's boring. Just let it be.
Okay.
Yeah, we can't talk about taxation in our first video. Once they know that we are also smart, then they will value our opinion.
Okay.
So you have to establish your
rapport
first.
Okay.
Right. So that's why you go with a topic which is more in sync with the times. Like nobody's talking about taxation right now. I can go on about taxation for a long time.
Yeah.
Especially like the GST, India implemented recently, Malaysia withdrew recently at about the same time. And then we can talk about it, but maybe sometime later for sure. And of course, I don't want to be deported also.
Okay.
So that's the main thing. It'll get controversial.
No, not. It's okay. It's a general topic, right? How each country seems. Okay.
Let's find some interesting news.
So we've already.
My forte is technology, so I'll get to technology soon.
Okay.
You want to go through your political gibberish first?
This is Google News, and this is the main page. So we've already went through. We've got 9 new COVID cases.
9 COVID cases.
A bit lower.
Face masks compulsory in Malaysia, crowded places, transportation from August 1. Why? Corona is on leave.
How how do you tell if it's crowded or not? What's like?
Yeah, and then why from 1st August? Like, Corona is going to be on leave for the next 7 days, is it?
No, I think it's just because they are imposing a fine and they just want to give people
Oh,
time to stock up
wow,
on
a
face masks.
1,000 ringgit fine. Ah.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. And then it's in the LRT, MRT, and
Oh, so
crowded places such
crowded
as
is
markets and farmers market. So malls not required, is it? And when I go to the office, then
well, aren't malls more crowded in markets? I would think.
yeah,
Yeah, and it's somewhere it's enclosed, right? It's in
yeah. Like you stand in one corner and you sneeze, it'll spread
yeah.
everywhere.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
It's okay. I think everyone
Support.
should wear.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I without
everyone
even
should
without
wear.
this, I'm
I
wearing mask.
wish. I mean, I wish they had said that it'll be implemented from today, and
Fines can also be immediately.
fines can also be immediate. Maybe they could have given like a 1 week window on fines, but at least the news should have said that there is no excuse for not wearing a face mask.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and it should be done right away. So
Okay,
okay,
this.
let's not talk about Najib and 1MDB. I don't want to be
Okay,
deported.
no, no,
So
it's not okay. But speaking of Najib, did you see his tax bill 1.6 billion
yeah,
ringgit? That's
yeah.
insane.
Oh, is that why you want to talk about taxation? Is it?
No, it just so happens that there was that news, but
Hmm.
I really have wanted to talk about taxation for a long time.
Okay.
And
Maybe some other time. Yeah.
yeah, and mosque.
Mosque ban on foreigners raises concern ahead of Hari Raya Haji. Okay, for my Indian
Let's so
comrades,
on
what's Hari Raya Haji? Like Malaysia is the only country where Malaysia and Indonesia where you call it Hari Raya Haji.
what do you
Otherwise,
call it in India?
Eid al
Adha, Idul Adha,
Bakari.
Bakri.
This is the one where you slaughter.
Yeah. So Idul Adha.
So no, I think in India we call it Bakarid. Bakri is the goat.
Oh, no, that's new. I've not heard it being called it Bakri.
Yeah. So Hari Raya. So Hari and Raya means Haji. Haji. I thought Haji is because people go to Hajj around
Yeah.
this time. Is
So
it?
this not this year because this.
But in general, like whenever this particular Eid happens, so
Yeah, it's so the Hari Raya in Malay means Hari is day and Raya is like a celebration. So celebration day, Haji. So there are different names. So this is what we call it in Malaysia, and it marks the first day of the Hajj pilgrimage. And on that day, animals are slaughtered, goats, cows. I think just those two animals.
all right.
And it's given to I don't remember the distribution, but of course some will go to the needy, the poor, and it's also distributed among the community in the mosque or surau. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, Sarawak, out of the 9, 4 from Sarawak, then 1 in Sabah, 1 in Kelantan. Oh, this would be interesting. It's just nearby us, right? At Masjid Jami.
Sad state of affairs at KL tourist site.
Yeah, I hope there's no paywall to this because like now the staff
Oh.
man,
Never
I
mind.
lack of maintenance.
Yeah.
Ooh, OnePlus Nord. Are you looking to buy? I'm actually looking forward to buy
Really?
the
You
OnePlus
just
Nord.
bought an iPhone.
Yeah, but I want to have also an Android phone, so I'll have two phones with me at all times.
Wow, you're rich.
Actually,
Top 1%.
no, maybe I don't know. Let's see the graph. Maybe because of COVID, everyone's income dropped and mine remains the same. Then I can be the 1%.
Because he's an insurance agent, life planner with AIA. That's why everyone should become one with AIA right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, is it bad to laugh at people's drop?
No.
Drop
Oh,
of
I mean,
income.
yeah,
Like I
yes.
sounded insensitive just now.
Yeah, because you're an insensitive brat.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Malaysia is not.
Malaysia is not Tanah Melayu.
Tanah. Okay,
What does
Tanah
that
Melayu
mean?
is it's a historic name before Malaysia.
Oh.
Tanah means Melayu means Malay. Tanah means land, so land of the Malays.
Oh.
And this is a
Who
bit thorny.
said this? Sabah DCM refutes
So Tajuddin.
Tajuddin.
Was the person who, I don't quite remember the story, but in Parliament he was saying that this is Tanah Melayu, the land of the Malays, so it has to be like protected. The privileges of the Malays, and then
Well, enough local news. Let's go to the world news.
Okay.
I'm eager to get to the technology part of it as well.
Well, let's go to the tech tab, right? Or do you want to go through this first?
Sure, let's go to technology first. We'll do science also. Asus ROG Phone 3 versus Lenovo Legion Pro. Differences compared. Not interested. I don't understand. Like, why is the Google News tech page filled with phone reviews and phone stuff? Like, and
What
why
do you
is
expect them? It's always phones, right? What do you expect them to feature here? Like the dog robots or?
Yeah, something more interesting, right? I think we should sign in from my account. My account will be much more interesting as far as science and technology is concerned because I have it customized. Yours is all phones.
But because I never use Google
Yeah.
News.
Oh, leaked video. What leaked video?
Oh.
Leaked 360-degree video shows Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with a curved display. Wow.
So is that exciting? I thought they did away with curved displays.
Should you not be waiting for the Note 20? Like, do you really want to buy a OnePlus Nord?
It's a good phone for good value. It's not because I'm not chasing flagship, because my daily driver is the iPhone, right? Yeah, the Android is like a toy. I don't really know what specifically to do with it, or how to use it. Maybe there'll be a use, or if not, I'm just happy to have the phone. It looks cool from the unboxing.
The new Gorilla Glass can survive a 2-meter drop. Now that's something that I would read up. Actually, I want to get into how they make the Gorilla Glass and.
Okay, 2-meter drop. Then how about the current Gorilla Glass on your Samsung phone?
Oh, it's a YouTube video. It's from CNET.
Harder to, so like now it can withstand 1 meter, or so it's 2 meter.
I think so. Leap. Let me search. This one is what, Gorilla? Which one? 7, 8?
It doesn't say. It's just new Gorilla Glass.
Gorilla Glass.
Yeah.
Okay, Google goes till 7.
Can I vape here? Like, is it?
I looked for Ghost Set 7 on Google Play Music, but it either isn't available or can't be played right now.
No worries.
Google is sneaky, man. Gorilla Glass is a brand of chemically strengthened glass developed by and manufactured by Corning. Now in its 6th generation. I thought it was the 7th.
Oh, MacBook Pro, bro. Are you looking to get one?
No, I think I have enough laptops already.
Oh, where are the rest?
I want to sell I have one.
You can. I can help you
Surface.
sell.
Really? Oh yeah.
Carousel. I use Carousel.
I want to sell this one actually. Then I'll buy a Mac.
You said you have a few. Is it 2
I
or
have
more?
this, and then I have a big brick that you can literally kill someone with under the weight.
Right.
It's an abomination of a laptop.
Is it
because it can squeeze your laps beyond beyond recognition. It's an old HP laptop, but I still like that one.
Can let we'll have a look. Take some.
Or maybe
photos.
I'll give this one to my mom, and then that one I can sell.
Does your mom need a laptop?
Yeah.
Okay.
She asked me.
Oh, there's a poll. OnePlus Nord hot or not?
OnePlus Nord hot or not?
I'm going to say hot.
I'm going to say not.
Oh, look.
68%.
So there's a landslide in elections, right?
Oh yeah. All right. Oh, still haven't found out what's the Corning Gorilla Glass capable of.
Okay,
I think it's 1 meter.
do you want to go on a different news site?
Sure. Hey, wait.
Well, okay,
Fortnite, catch a weapon at Stack Shack.
Do you play Fortnite?
I've played before. I'm not a big fan of PUBG or Fortnite for that matter. Even this Call of Duty came up with a battle royale mode. I'm not a big fan.
No more like button.
Facebook tests a new page design with a cleaner layout and no more like button. Wow.
So what? How do you like something if there's no like button?
You don't. Maybe they'll put a heart or something.
Like Instagram.
Or you just tap on the image to like something like that.
Maybe. Business? You wanna go to business?
Oh yeah, let's go to business.
Top Glove. Oh.
Top Glove, now Malaysia's second biggest company. Well, there's opportunity in every calamity.
And then do you think after this is over they'll slide back down to their original position?
I think for the next 1 year they will manage to,
Yeah, and
stay on top of things.
maybe they'll buy like smaller or failing companies which they'll have.
But I hope they make good use of this money to, develop cleaner technologies and
Hey, look at that.
recycling and all of that.
PNB. Do you know PNB, the company?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a
Yeah.
sovereign wealth fund.
Yeah. Micro investing app. Oh,
What's a
not
mic-
bad, huh?
Micro investing is like robo advisor.
No, like you invest in small amounts like 10 ringgit, 5 ringgit,
Oh,
and so on.
okay. I'll actually.
Yeah, you should try.
Yeah.
You should try that out.
So you can maybe buy shares at a lower entry point, something like that.
No.
I'll
It just your investment amount. I mean, from whatever I've seen in other micro investment apps, so it encourages small savings. So you won't, like, if you go and invest in a mutual fund, a unit trust, as it's called in Malaysia.
Yeah.
So typically there's a minimum investment limit of
100.
500,000 ringgit
Yeah.
depending on the fund, and then there are investment charges.
Mm-hmm.
A micro investment scheme would be that they'll allow you to maybe invest like 1 ringgit, 10 ringgit, whatever you can save.
Okay.
So the idea is to encourage people to save as much as they can.
Would the returns be similar to mutual funds?
Yeah, I mean that depends on fund management, right? Who the fund manager is, but
Okay.
everything else being equal, whether you invest 10 ringgit or 100,000 ringgit, in terms of percentage, your return is going to be the same, right?
Okay.
So I guess, I mean, earlier on it was not allowed because smaller amounts would mean a lot of
Volatility.
no, not volatility. There's a cost to the company to manage the transaction also, right? To process the transaction, right? People don't think of it that way, but when you go and deposit, 1,000 ringgit in your unit trust, then there is a cost. While the fund would invest 1,000 ringgit, but there is a cost for the fund also to take that 1,000 ringgit from you and eventually invest it in the market, correct? So
Okay.
there will be, right?
Right.
And then most unit trusts are sold through advisors also. I mean, so then there's commission paid as well,
Yeah.
right? So if you're investing small amounts, 10 ringgit, then there's really not much in it for, I mean, an advisor would, in the traditional sales model, why would an advisor want to spend their time when they know that they're only going to get 100 ringgit worth of investment, which will probably give them like a 1 ringgit commission?
Yeah. So
right? Like, would you sell insurance?
understood. Understood. So if before they are not doing because of this, why then introduce it now?
Now,
Or is it
because
mandated by the government?
no,
Or
it could be that. It could be because now technology, they've minimized the
reduce the
steps in
cost?
the whole value chain,
Yeah.
and they managed to so automated the flow of money from the bank account to the fund account,
Mm-hmm.
and minimized the the expenses in that process, so through use of technology. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And we've got this. So we could be expecting a COVID vaccine by end of the year.
Really? Oh yeah, there's lots and lots of vaccines under development. I read recently that
AstraZeneca.
the no, I read about the Oxford vaccine.
AstraZeneca.
Oh,
Mhm.
okay.
In
Yeah, it
they,
has cleared
Mhm.
human trials, I think.
Have they? Okay. So it's going to be quicker than because I've got a friend who works there. He said she told me earliest would be next year.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know. This
I don't know. There
looks
was some
promising
news.
because end of the
Yeah,
year is
yeah.
just five months away.
Hmm.
So right. So how many minutes are we in already?
Hmm.
Do, do, do.
28. I think enough.
Oh, okay. I thought it would be like still 10 minutes.
Ah.
Mazda car sales. Car. Hey, you want to buy a car?
No.
Okay lah, looks like we've covered.
Yeah, looks like we've run out of time. Maybe we can. I mean, who cares? Like, maybe we should just go live next time. Right?
Can we do
Yeah,
live?
we just do, a review like this,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, talk about nonsense, and then we just go live.
Can.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll use the app Renan's using. Is it called Recam? I think.
We can go live through GoPro also.
Oh, can we?
Yeah. It's okay.
Then but we still need the screen, right?
We can.
Mm-hmm.
That's okay.
Yeah. No, we're not really healthy. Oh, we got science. Okay, let's.
Okay. Yeah. Let's look at science. China launches its first unmanned mission to Mars. Oh, good. Good for them.
Unmanned, meaning this the robot that.
Oh, there's a rover, it seems, involved. Let's read this. Elon Musk also tweeted about this today. Oh, it's a video. I don't want to watch a video. The Mars probe is expected to take over 5 months to reach the red planet. So far, only the US and former Soviet Union have successfully landed space vessels to Mars. A successful landing on Mars of the Tiananmen 1 is seen as a. Is that a rover or is that like a probe? Well, probe is in this case. It seems it's a euphemism for a satellite that's just going to plonk on the surface.
Why
of
would
Mars.
they do that? Would there be any? Is there any functionality of doing that? The satellite in Mars?
No, satellite in Mars.
You said satellite in Mars, right?
Yeah, I mean that's the whole point of space exploration, right? India has a satellite around Mars.
I thought satellites are just like it's like between the moon and the Earth, and then they just transfer.
No, satellites are around Earth.
Yeah, around Earth.
I mean, man-made satellites, and then the purpose is telecommunication. Of course, is one. Earth imaging is another. Right? There's many uses. Internet.
Okay.
I mean, falls under telecommunication.
Yep.
So for Mars, they're using it for imaging mostly. Weather on Earth, they use it to study the weather and global warming and other things as well. But on Mars, they are mostly being used to study the atmosphere and for imaging, because if in case humans screw up the Earth, which it looks like it, we will end up doing. And so we might have to find a new planet to live on, as Elon Musk is
Right.
trying to do. So yeah,
That's his mission to
yeah.
okay, to move maybe some humans to Mars.
Actually, next time just let just do a live.
Can
Yeah,
we can do live.
I don't. Yeah.
Yeah. So if we, but you know what's a cheaper way to
What?
not have to go to Mars? If
Yeah.
if the Earth is destroyed, we'll just commit suicide, right?
No, the point is to survive.
Okay. No, because if we go to Mars, then we'll just destroy Mars again.
Yeah, but it'll be like a few thousand years before
Okay.
we manage to destroy Mars. By that time, I'm sure. Who knows? Actually, that some people say that humans actually came from Mars to Earth.
What?
Yeah,
The
and then now, so Mars is
well, if humans, oh, has it stopped recording?
no, still recording.
Is it? Well, no. Was that the one just now? Was it deleted?
No. It was saved.
Yeah.
I think it has a 30-minute limit, so it just stopped on its own.
Okay. Okay. If humans were intelligent to move from Mars
Yeah, but
to
they were not. About, let's say if humans have to leave in a hurry from Earth to Mars, and only a few hundred manage to go,
okay.
right? So, and let's say while we are going there, then a crash happens, and then there's only two people left, Adam and Eve. You know?
Okay, that's quite the theory. Yeah, quite the theory.
Yeah. So, East Antarctic ice sheet more vulnerable than, let me read,
Oh, okay. Sorry.
to melting than thought. Of course it is.
It's
People
it's just
living in
recycle.
denial.
Everyone knows it's melting. Why do you need to remind us? Like we don't even live there.
Yeah, people are stupid, man. Radio relic detected in a merging galaxy cluster. Okay. Unknown magnetic field. Going above my head. Strange spiral beacombs look like fantastical crystal palaces. Now we know why. Why? Wow. That is creepy and beautiful at the same time.
I've not seen it like that before. Isn't it always like?
Maybe
It's hexagon.
maybe it's like the view from the top. The hexagon is the individual cell.
Yeah, but they're always just uniform, not spiral like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why they call it strange. Maybe they're not so more things, not so common.
Oh, just thinking of my original idea of finding a topic and then talking about it. Is because that I think both of us will have our own preconceived ideas about and biases about a particular topic. And if we put it out there for everyone to hear, it will open us to scrutiny, which is good, so we can examine our ideas. People can tell us if we are right, we are wrong, and if it can be seen from a different angle. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So
Sounds like
we
a
can. So in our next thing, we could do live, or we could explore something we
Sure.
are passionate about.
Sure.
Okay, that's okay. Thanks everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you. The next time. When's our
we
next
have
one?
to say bye like this?
No,
Is that-
because my spectacles were dropping, and then I was
Oh.
like, yeah.
All right.
Bye.
Okay. See you. Bye.
See you.